how to add expenses in Shipzy Export software. So I'm hitting on expenses in sidebar, and I can see that I have added one expense under particular PI number and against particular invoice number. So where it is visible, let's check. So expenses against this invoice will be visible under profit and loss report. So in report section, I am hitting profit loss report. So all the invoices I created is listed here, and I'm going to view my expenses under PI number 08. So for 08 PI, I have two expenses, sales brokerage and bag expense. So this total 130 is basically deducting from my account. So it will be gradually go into loss, and it is showing me this loss. So the amount will be balanced accordingly your invoice amount. So this is how it's working, and you can list out expenses here to track your profit and loss. Thank you.